Hello, everyone. My name is Shatora Nix, and I am studying law enforcement. Today, I will be talking to you all about how firearms can aid in solving a criminal case. Firearms aid in solving a criminal case based on the type of weapon used and the damage it makes, but not so much of the ammunition used. Follow along as I explain why. First and foremost, firearms can help solve a case based on the weapon used because investigators can determine many important things. For instance, they can determine where they should look or what to expect about a killer. For instance, whether or not the killer is an amateur or not an amateur, um, military background, and so much more. So it is definitely important to use the weapon to determine where to look, how to start the investigation. Additionally, firearms solving a case is also dependent on the damage it makes. This is to many things like entry and exit wounds. The entry and exit wounds can tell investigators things like what type of bullet may have been used. And there's also the bullet trajectory and damage to surrounding objects that can help solve a criminal case. Because, again, investigators are learning more and more about the crime and what happened during the commission of the crime. On the other hand, and as previously stated, firearms being able to solve a case is not dependent on the ammunition. The reason being is because you can put any ammunition or bullets in a gun and the markings will be the same. It's always the markings that the gun puts on the bullets and cases. In fact, each gun puts a specific mark like a fingerprint, and that's how they solve the case. As you can see, ammunition is not a factor of helping firearms solve a criminal case. However, there are many other factors that come into play. Lastly, firearms don't necessarily tell you how many suspects there are because one suspect could have used two guns. So it doesn't tell you how many suspects there were. However, it can reveal how many firearms were used during the crime because you can see different types of bullets and things of that sort. All in all, firearms definitely do help aid in solving a criminal case. Thank you.